meet our new innovation. The point taping and the whole body taping is together now. But before it was a separate machine. So one machine can make point taping and other machine, the different machine can make the whole body taping. We are the first manufacturing company that solve this kind of problem. So now we can just do two in one, the point taping and the whole body taping. And you can see the quality. There is no fault at all. The point is in perfect place and the whole body taping is smooth. There is no bubble at all. Seems so perfect. So now we will show you the point taping first. After the point taping, only 4 point taping we will show you, and after that we will show you the whole body process. You see, full automatic process. There is no lever needed. You can see the stand. The BusBar won't bend at all. It will be stable position every time. You can see they also test because it's tape. So every time it will press and go. You can see so perfect to me, and there is two stand. It's stable stand. When the BusBar will bend, the wrapping, the taping won't be so perfect. So then you can lose your customer. So now we will show you the whole body tapping. Turn on and it will automatically start. See the speed, the consistent speed, and the roller is pressing. Behind the tapping, the roller is just pressing. So no more bubbles, no more wasting time, no more waste your tape. The material cost, you can save your material cost, you can speed up your production line. No more worry about anything, just get it now, upgrade your industry. This will be a game changer for your industry. If you have any requirement for the lathe, we can customize it for you. So this is all for today. Thank you everyone.